美国总统拜登和夫人吉尔一起到北卡的布拉格堡基地，在感恩节餐宴上亲自分菜，向军人表达感谢。而在空军1号上，白宫发言人萨奇证实，拜登已经计划3年后要竞选连任。
There were reports that President Biden was telling allies that he's going to run for re-election in 2024. Can you confirm, is he going to run in 2024? Is he telling staff that?
Yes, that's his intention.
高龄79岁的拜登上周刚做过健康检查，医生表示他有胃食道逆流，所以最近咳嗽变得频繁，说话时更常清喉咙。另外，健检报告也指出，拜登因为脊椎磨损，走路的步伐姿态变僵硬了。
They were focused on the fact that his gait, his walking, Anderson, seems to have changed a bit. They described it as being less fluid, stiffer gait.
只是美国一份最新民调指出，拜登的支持度只剩下37.8%，不支持度高达了59%，而且有64%的民众表态不希望拜登在2024年竞选连任，让一直对2020年败选不服气的川普看到了机会。
Trump told Fox News in an interview, quote, "I am certainly thinking about it and we'll see. I think a lot of people will be very happy, frankly, with the decision and probably will announce that after the midterms."
川普20号获得南韩国际院颁发跆拳道荣誉9段的黑带，川普兴奋表示，等他再次选上美国总统后，要穿着黑带道服去国会踢馆。2024年美国总统大选可能有机会看到拜登、川普再次对决。TVB 的新闻于思颖综合报道。
请支持一个专门报道国际新闻的全新 YouTube 频道 TVBS Plus， 扩大视野，掌握趋势，请订阅并开启小铃铛。